Mr. Newman!
Kevin O'Doyle, yeah, always a pleasure.
What kind of stereo you got?
You know what? I never checked, Kevin.
Yeah, well, my father's stereo is a Bose. Your
father's stereo blows? That's too bad.
No! I said... That's not what I said!
His father's stereo blows!
Whee!
Isn't it about time everyone else enjoyed your perfect taste in music? It's the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth portable speaker. This is Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can win this product. There's a couple do's and don'ts when it comes to portable speakers. Do pair it with your phone or laptop via Bluetooth and get the good times cranking. Don't be a jerk and know when to use headphones. With great decibels comes great responsibility. So, let's check out the Bose SoundLink Flex. Specs and features. First thing you'll notice is how truly compact this speaker is. It only weighs in at 1.3 pounds, can be easily held in the palm of your hand, and there's no knobs or dials sticking out. The Flex has got to be one of the most rugged and durable speakers we've ever tested. Its silicone back and powder-coated steel grille is resistant to dust, UV, debris, water, and personal insults. It's sealed 360 degrees around to achieve its IP67 waterproof rating. And even if you drop it in the water, internal foam helps the whole device to float. Inside, you've got a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery that'll give you up to 12 hours of tunes on a single charge. And charging happens via the USB-C charging cable that comes supplied. The Flex features Bluetooth 5.1, meaning it can handle multiple paired devices within a range of 30 feet. Bose says they've included a custom transducer that is capable of producing bass that you can feel in your chest. Onboard software called Position IQ technology can detect the orientation the Flex is lying or hanging in and can automatically tailor the sound to fill the space. There's also a built-in microphone for taking calls and integration with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. So what do we like about the Bose SoundLink Flex? This thing packs a punch for its size. Easily enough sound for a small outdoor gathering or backyard noise whenever you need it. Cool little features like stereo and party mode allow others to add to the playlist on the fly for a more eclectic mix. And you can't get past the impressive 12-hour battery life. Because let's face it, most of us are way too old to keep partying that long without taking a nap. So, what's the downside? Neither us or our friends at Amazon have a bad word to say about the Bose SoundLink Flex. It's rugged, easy to use, and does what it's supposed to do. Play high-fidelity audio wirelessly. No complaints from us. But what are others saying about the Bose SoundLink Flex? PT says, "This is the best sound that I've ever heard from a portable Bluetooth speaker. The product is rugged and made with substantial materials." An anonymous Amazon user wrote, "Holy cow is the least that someone can say about this speaker. Its size makes you think if it's worth it, but oh man, it's worth every penny." So, what's the verdict? Listen, we love Bose products. Back in August, we reviewed the Bose SoundLink Mini, link up in the top right, and it was hands down our favorite ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker. But no more. The Flex has flexed. Our new ultra-portable Bluetooth speaker champion is the new Bose SoundLink Flex. We give it a perfect 5 out of 5 stars. And the Bose SoundLink Flex could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this Bose SoundLink Flex, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's all you have to do. I hope you were paying attention. Just in case you missed it the first time, can always go back and watch again. Well, then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.